Australia and New Zealand together are the canary in the coal mine for the cloud transformation around general ledger right now. PwC Australia has really embarked on a platform, if you like, to digitise the way we work, the way we solve problems for our clients. That's actually really opening the eyes of the rest of our firm globally. When we adopted API management, our number one goal was at first access to as much data as possible for our clients, but really that goal's now evolved into how we can surface that data for the innovators within our firm network. This whole mission was driven by client need. Our clients that we talk about are pre-CFO business owners. These are people who are short on time. They're seeking insights, but they expect them to be right every time. These are insights that they're going to drive business decisions. Do I hire? Do I fire? Do I grow? Do I shrink? Do I buy more inventory? By very nature, we had to settle on technology choices that could give us that level of confidence for those clients. So, no surprise, we're a Big Four accounting firm. Data should be at our core, but really we're a services business. Apogee's really helping us accelerate that move towards data first and building insights on top. We were convinced that Google overall had a compelling strategy that was data first and data centric, as opposed to perhaps application building. And that was important to our strategy. So we took the bet to work with Google from the ground up. So we're working on GCP. We would be using just about every element within the GCP stack, from App Engine Flex, you name it, we've got it in there, and if it's in beta, we're already testing with it. So when we were deciding on an API framework and chose Apogee, there are a couple of things that really drove that decision. Obviously, I spoke about the experience that Apogee bring to the table around the right APIs, the sort of APIs we were looking to connect to. Second, and critical for us, was their understanding of a microservices architecture and strategy. That we wanted to expose more than just data, but we wanted to expose functional elements for our developers to accelerate what they could create on and imagine. And finally, really the acquisition by Google convinced us that the long-term product path was aligned to our architecture choice. Apogee brings some great experience, particularly looking at APIs and creating APIs as products. We're on the start of that journey, so we really value the insight and the sharing that we get when we deal with the Apogee team.